Unlock your inner split. Beginner yoga. Ready to achieve the splits, but don't know where to start? This beginner-friendly yoga routine will gently guide you towards increased flexibility and help you unlock your inner split. Start with a few rounds of cat-cow pose to warm up your spine. This will increase blood flow and prepare your body for deeper stretches. Follow this with some gentle hip circles to loosen up your hip joints. Begin with low lunges, focusing on sinking deeper into the stretch with each exhale. Next, try hamstring stretches like seated forward folds, reaching towards your toes. Remember to keep your back straight. Butterfly pose is excellent for opening your hips. Gently press down on your knees to deepen the stretch. Follow this with pigeon pose, a powerful hip opener that targets the muscles needed for splits. Finish with a relaxing child's pose to calm your mind and body. Remember, consistency is key. Don't push yourself too hard and listen to your body. Celebrate every small improvement. Ready to start your journey to the splits? Subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly yoga routines and tips. Share this video with a friend who wants to improve their flexibility, and let us know in the comments what other yoga poses you'd like to learn.